That's a camera.
Camera?
It's recording you.
Not this for
Yeah, that's a mic.
Mike.
Yes.
Daddy. Come here. Come on. Let's go play with. Ready? Good. Bye. What do you see? Sit. Down.
What do you think it is about adults and family life that just people connect to it?
I don't know. I mean, it's thrilling to me that it is a beloved franchise.
I see.
Pacific Island culture represented in such a beautiful and authentic way. It
Duh.
means a lot to folks. I know a lot of parents don't love it.
Now play. Yes. Anna. Down. No. The what? The way. The way. The what? Sat. Go. Go. That way. Do it. Do it. Do it. No.
Bring it down, baby.
Daddy, done. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No,
Let me show you.
5.
Let me.
No, let me 5. Wow! Apple pie! Yes, yes, yes. Oh,
Bring it down. Use the remote. Bring it down. Now go. The battery is low. Battery is low. Battery is low.
yes.
We'll have to change it, okay?
Okay, at this. Oh no!
Bring the drone.
Daddy! Daddy!
We have to turn it off now, okay? The battery is low.
I'll double by you.
Yeah. You hear that?
Yeah,
You scared?
yeah. Put away.
Good job, baby.
By you are. Let's go sit.
I don't think so.
Let's go sit. I got tea. Tea.
It's raining outside. We can't go outside today, okay? Because it's raining.
I don't want it. Daddy don't want it.
You don't want it?
Don't.
It's a mic.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.